Polygons. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes. That means that they are flat. All polygons are flat. That means that it would be a circle, not a sphere. It would be a square and not a prism or a pyramid. Flat shapes, like this paper, it has to be two-dimensional. Another rule for a polygon is that it has straight sides. That means that none of the sides can be curved. All of them have to be straight lines. So is a circle a polygon? No, it can't be, because circles do not have straight sides. It has to have all sides straight. There's one more rule. And this rule is that it's a closed figure. All that means is that there are no gaps. Everything about it has to be closed. Let's look at some examples. This would be a polygon. It's flat. All sides are pretty much straight. And it's a closed figure. This would not be a polygon. It has straight sides, it's flat, but it's not a closed figure. There's a gap. What about this? It's flat, it's closed, but it's not a polygon because all the sides are not straight. We'll do one more. What about this? Would this be a polygon? Yes, it would. It's a flat figure. It's closed, there are no gaps, and all of the sides are straight. Very good. First, we have triangles. A triangle has the prefix tri. This means 3. Triangles look like this. Our next word is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has the prefix quad. Quad means 4. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Any shape with 4 sides. Our next word is pentagon. Pentagon has the prefix penta. Pent or penta means 5. Pentagons have 5 sides. Our next word is hexagon. Hexagon has the prefix hexa. If you're noticing a pattern, hexa means 6. These shapes have 6 sides. Six sides. There we go. Okay. The next one we're going to do is heptagon. Heptagon. This has the prefix hepta. Hepta means 7. So this shape has 7 sides. These get a little more difficult to draw. There we go. That's about as good as I can do. Next is one that will sound a lot more familiar. Our next shape is an octagon. An octagon has the prefix octa. Octa means 8. So these shapes have 8 sides. Ooh, that's difficult. There we go. Next, we have nonagon. Nonagon begins with nona. Nona, as I'm sure you figured out by now, means 9. There we go. And our final polygon that we're going to talk about today is decagon. A decagon, not that color. A decagon begins with deca. You might be familiar with that prefix because we've talked about decades, which live in a base 10 system. Decades are 10 years, Decimals involve powers of 10, increments of 10, base 10. This means 10. Now these shapes are not fun to draw. Whoops. We'll just pretend I didn't do that. There you go. All of these are polygons. And remember, polygons are two-dimensional, they're flat. All of the sides are straight, and they are closed figures.